Yeah, man, so we were talking of the reason before, and they know them chop off your life. Yeah, be a sabotage. You know, once we start, be a fire, be a sabotage, go on. Yeah, man, so we just say earlier on in the life, man, say, them people here, them selective. You see me I say with them outrage, them selective in them righteousness. It's like some big hypocritical people, them especially Jamaican people. Jamaican people, and then it bleeds over into the rest of the diaspora. You understand what I say? It bleeds over because Jamaica is like Jamaicans. People love to follow Jamaicans, you know. So when them see the Jamaicans, them behave a certain way. It's like people that try adhere to the Jamaicans, them behavior. You see what I say? And them mindset. You see, in the way of them hypocritical. See? So when you realize, even a little sitting on the car clash there, them realize that some people from down in the island. And when them join up with the Jamaican them on the platform, them with anti-Vegas. And I realize that them start talk the same way, them start behave the same way, them start, you know, be hypocritical the same way. And I'm like, yo, our influence is like the people them in the diaspora pick up on. See, it's like we change from being the bad rebellious slaves. We did a fight for equal rights and justice and freedom. We transformed into, you know, a cannibalistic society. You understand me I say? It's like a straight cannibalism. And if them not like you, them know them nyam you alive. Once them not like you, them nyam you alive. You see? And if them like somebody, or if them look up to somebody, or if them idolize somebody, that somebody they can do anything. Any fucking thing that person they can do. And then give that person their pass. Rape, murder, anything. And then we wonder, say, why we at the point in this society, you know, where the youth them get so bare-faced, brazen, the youth no want to work again. No youth not think about, the youth them not think about work and them something again. You think you can blame it on that? The effect? Are the cause? And because the way I want to stay bridging, I want to reach a point now when I can't control it no more because you know, for years I want to support fuckery as Jamaicans. Jamaicans, them are the worst set of bumbuckler people them when it comes down to division. Trust me, for a country with 2.5 million people, we're so fucking divided. We divided in everything. We divided all with God. We divided with God, Jesus, Bible, everything. 2.5 million people or 3 million people, and we're so divided. Jamaican people cannot even agree upon the scripture them in the Bible. A one Bible they say and a one God, you know. And a one Jesus. And we're so divisive where we cannot even agree. We have a church for every corner. And we cannot even agree upon the doctrine. We're supposed to take it to one place called heaven. One destination all of them are head to, you know. All of them hope to go to. And them cannot even agree upon the doctrine. One set of people over there say serve God for them way. And next set of people over there say serve God for them way. And next set of people around there say serve God for them way. And next set of people around there say serve God. It's like it's so divided. And next set of people tell us say you wrong the way you serve God. And next set of people around there tell us say you wrong the way you serve God. And next set of people around there tell us say you wrong the way. It's like I'm so divided, brethren. And a one God. The whole of them are hope to go up to heaven to meet. You see? Well divided up, man. We're so divided that we allow some white man to come among us and start political war. And black people we used to stand together, where we used to be the jewel, you see, of change and revolution. Because remember saying, no, Jamaica did want to start revolution before dirty book man them take it over Haiti, you know. A runway bookman runway go Haiti, you know. Because of that bookman had hope to achieve in Jamaica where we go on Haiti. But bookman realized that them so fucking divided to blood clean. Because them say maroon a hunt down black people all kind of sitting. Come like that place named Jamaica one curse. The slave master when the slave them used to bad, you know. And rebellious in a Barbados and them place there. Them ship them after Jamaica, you know. That place, Jamaica. Them ship them after that place, yeah. Like them know said that place, curse. You see? It's like them know said that place, curse. So them just ship them off down here, so. I mean, I know where it is. And the people then come down here, so me I tell the Rasta. And division start on the island here. For a long time. But there is still a set of people who fight together. Unite together. Even when the Maroons them, I work with the Europeans them. And the British them. You'd have a movement. A strong movement. Where people are say, yo, we are fight oppression, you know. We are stand together and we are fight oppression. And black people are low. Jamaican people are low. Politicians. Black people are low. And then we are going to blame it on CIA. And we are going to blame it on government. And we are going to blame it on system. Yeah, them think they play a role, but you know at the end of the day, you no longer looked at that man as your brother. You no longer looked at that man as that man where you sit down and eat piece of bread with. No system is not supposed to be that powerful that it make you forget that that man is where you sit down and drink sugar and water and lemonade with and eat some dumpling and some mackerel. You see? Or some chicken back and rice. When a man come tell you about the system this in place if you make we behave so. Yeah, the system want us to behave so. So it just fuel the fuckery about we. The wickedness what we have in our way. The system fuel it. And use it for them own benefit. You see? I use the system I use we in a way against we. Because if we make a system we put in place, make you can turn your gun on your brother for political members. For two white men in this country would be a black people. And we join up with one set of black people over there said Michael Manley, one set of black people over there said Edward Siaga, and turn gun upon one another. And them two men there live till them blood clot die of natural causes. And how much our brother and sister them kill each other and kill innocent people in the process for different political war. Eh? Where could I go so? You totally forget say that man there. And you sit down and broke bread. That man there. You sit down and talk with and play that man with. Or whatever with her, whatever you game, whatever you do. Laugh, talk, and you total. And to this day, we still stay so. The same youth them we grew up with in the ghetto. If you stay in the ghetto with them same youth, take nothing to start a division. Nothing to start a tribal war. And then turn the gun upon each other and that. We are some wicked people against we are there. And once we put up some people on some pedestal, and some people are with Dan, and some people are with leader, and some people are with daddy, and some people are them run boy, and all them things there. And that side that we take. We not take no side of no peacemaker boy. We not take no side of nobody we are fight for change. We take side of politician. We take sides of dons. We take sides of oppressors. That is the thing where that's why listen me. I reap Jamaican and reap with them so. Not even church or Jesus or God or nothing can help Jamaican. Nothing, no politician, no nothing can help Jamaicans. I reap on so. Remember that, brethren. We are some evil set of people, brethren. We don't support a whole heap of fuckery. Whole heap of fuckery we don't support. You know much I want to know some little girl will get molested. You know much I want to know some little boy will get molested. You know much I want to know mama will go to church. No say all of no son and molest all them little cousin them. And molest all them little niece them. And molest all them little family member them. And go jump up and get in a spirit in that. And no say we have a problem on the yard. And we stay silent on it and anybody dare to talk. We don't hate them. No for no mama hate to no daughter because no daughter come telling us say who no man. Who no new man. Molest them. No for no woman where they on internet attack people. We burn out pedophile and rapists. No for una victim of yourself. But when you turn around and do, victimize the others. Una a victim of yourself. Una know the suffering, una know the pain, una know what una go through, una know how una have sleepless nights. And una can find it in ourselves to unite with other victims. You know what you do? If you don't like somebody like you don't like Mr. Handsome and pedo boy, you take them side. That is you know. I want to expect so we have a better society. I want to think no government can help you know. Your crime stopper can help you know. Nothing can help a wicked nation. The nation is cruel, the nation is heartless, the nation is wicked. If you don't catch anybody who you don't like, you don't skin them alive and hang them about half a tree square. You know much how you want to see me blood. You know much how you can't wait for say good riddance. And you not pray for no good riddance, you no gunman family them. You not pray for no good riddance, the rapist them. You not pray for no good riddance, the pedophile them. You not pray for no good riddance when the people who are terrorized day and night. But judgment shall continue. You shall be plagued with them same youth here. The same energy I want to protect for years and nurse for years and nurture for years. You shall be plagued with bloodshed and violence and gun, all kind of sitting and mash up that little place I have in Jamaica. Because we don't decide to change in our ways. We are some big dirty hypocrite. Remember that. All the power are hypocrite. When you see the robot man come and point out who and who are criminal, you jump in at the inbox and you have a field day. You have a yes teacher, yes professor, talk, and you alone, you feel run for Prime Minister. You are the best thing that ever happened to Jamaica. Then you know same one. Go up on the next platform and see police kill somebody and burn out the police. You know the biggest, dirty, stinking hypocrite ever born on the face of earth. You know we go under Robot Man page, go burn out criminal. Straight. And when you go up on the next platform, in the middle of the day, after you get to do morning dose of blood, when you go up on the next platform, you see police I do them job. You burn out the police them. Or when you hear a man say, I hope when you get gunshot, you don't say nothing. When you bother burn out, that's my day. But the next day, you under Robot Man page again. I say him the greatest thing. Because I'm a hypocrite. Biggest hypocrite them boy makes. The wickedest set of people them boy man. Remember that, Bridget. There are people here. Then we hunt down. If them see, if them here say, there's a man hunt for a rapist. They hunt, you know. They hunt all day to catch the rapist there. A rapist is on the loose and we hunt down the place to find him like dog. Knowing well, say them have rapists in them family next door, all about. What them know about. And then we go chop up a rapist down the road. Chop him up clean, chop him out and close. It's just like enough of them we see come on the internet that talk about fish this, fish that, gay this, gay that. All of them have gay people in them family, you know. The whole of them have them good at shake it too, you know. You never know. And if I'm not even that, you know, pepper seed. When you look, you see them under Freak of Nature page. I laugh up. The whole of them you see there, you know. All of them you see there. Where you see love come on internet, come talk about fish this, fish that, really. Shake it, shake it. When you look, then just go from page to page. And worse if a somebody we are born Vegas, then no matter who, they under the hitch up. And me if I tell you, I biggest set of hypocrite them on the face of earth. You learn that here. Biggest hypocrite them. And then believe, say, them a get away with it. Them believe, say, them believe, say, them not do nothing wrong because nobody not point it out. Them swear, say, you know, them are some good, righteous, upright people, you know, because nobody not point it out. Because everybody boy are hypocrite. Everybody boy are Philistine. Remember me tell you that. Just because nobody now point it out. For real. You didn't think. Zin? A man will campaign for years. Say dancehall have rules and laws and regulation. Right? He's a man who campaign for years. For lock out people out of dancehall. Say dancehall have rules and laws and regulation. Right?
It's no flea market, it's no...
Tequila and Mr. Vegas.
Let me address this now. Dancehall is no Whatmalan. It's no flea market, it's no walk-in closet. There is rules and guidelines to dancehall. You come in this thing, you saw veteran doing it. This is not your creation, so you just come in here and come put in what you want to put in. The founder of dancehall leave guidelines and rule. No man can't come around and come go on like no girl. And no man can't come around and come go on like no drag. This is dancehall. Something that carry the dancehall of Jamaica culture are carried. Anything you do looking wrong at Jamaica culture, you make them call it. Okay? A soca artist can't do that. A gospel artist can't do that. No reggae or dancehall artist can't do that. Man to man is so unjust. Bob did tell with that. So that's the guideline of reggae and dancehall. We go balance, but don't come and balance up dancehall. And that little drag queen, boy, I know, him not have no manners. Me never said nothing about him. All I do, buy a paper. I saw a pic in the Star, which is my Star, a public paper that I bought. I own everything in it. I take my phone, take a pic, repost it on my Twitter page. My everything, my pic, no matter who in the pic, you know. And me buy the paper, I own everything with the paper. Publish.
So how the bumbleclot, when me use my phone, download something with my phone, post it on my Instagram, where the mama bumbleclot do not have problem with it for? If me put on a 70s afro wig, figure do a performance, and a man claims say him take a picture out of the Star with film phone, and it now belongs to him. My picture belongs to him. Because a film phone, a film paper went by. So him could have posted it per film page. See? You have a problem with me, I post the thing per my page with my phone. But him was doing, yeah man, a real thing you talk. A true, what you mean, dancehall. You mean, dancehall have rules and regulation. So him take my picture with film phone and post. Tell me about that look here at Twitterville. Me no know Star. Listen, Gigas. Spill is hurt for the pic he took himself a Photoshop. We Photoshop it or he actually dressed like a fish on TV. When me talk bacteria, boy, if he shut up, bad man, no dress like girl. No boy we reach out of feces, can't go get no talk to our speeches. When him they take film phone and take a picture and post on Twitterville, where the bumbo clown never did put up videos or texts or comments or send message and say, yo, allow the youth alone. The youth do a performance and wear a rascal 70s look. Why you never say that? Why would you not say when him friend them dress up in a wig, him not say nothing and them in a dance hall? How him not burn out him friend them when him dress up in a wig? Not even wig like Afro wig, because Afro wig are something people used to wear. Real thing. But when him friend them are dressed up in a wig, all them not say nothing. And the rumpers them, all them not say nothing. And pink suit, all them not say nothing. Because we have some blood clot hypocrite in Jamaica. How the fuck is it that him say rules and regulation in a dance hall, but Spice go perform for the LGBTQ community, but yet still him crown our queen of blood clot dancehall. Una go and you can blood clot go around the real truth boy. And then you take it and turn it like we are come text it or bully people. Or like we are go after people. No. Don't start nothing where you can't blood clot finish. You start clash, you can't finish it. You start trouble people, you can't finish it. You know so you can fuck around people and run left it for your little stinking minions them out there text it from people and trouble people. And style people and stigmatize people name. Because you know what you do. You is the devil out of blood clot hell. How is it that Spice go perform for LGBTQ community? And you crown our queen just blood clot last week. No dancehall she do. So you say dancehall have rules and blood clot guideline. You know, say a week when you think some man did weak fence boy and you can cancel, you no want cancel. Big stinking pedophile boy. You think so you can come boy about not get no honor, no blood clot honor, no shaggy them a campaign for no. Forget no honor, nothing boy. So people can look pound and bow say, hey, oh that's my daddy, I'm so proud. And our pitney them fi hide. When them talk about we. We're not idiot. The whole of you support bullies him over the years, you know. And now you come and run campaign now. And I come tell you to shut up and go sit down. You stay sub-region and that's why Jamaica get fucked. Because too much hypocrite. The man tell you clearly say, him take a picture with film phone.
Particular and Mr. Vegas.
Let me address this now. Dancehall is no what land. It's no flea market, it's no walk-in closet. There is rules and guidelines to dancehall. You come in this thing, you saw veteran doing it. This is not your creation, so you just come in here and come put in what you want to put in. The founder of dancehall.
So dancehall a film creation. So him can put in what he want to put in. And take out what he want to take out. Because him create dancehall. A film creation.
Leave guidelines and rule. No man can't come around and come go on like no girl. And no man can't come around and come go on like no drag. This is dancehall. Something that carried the dancehall of Jamaica culture are carried. Anything you do looking wrong at Jamaica culture, you make them call it. Okay?
So, all your crown Spice dancehall queen. Or your co-sign Spice as a dancehall queen if you say our culture, anything do wrong, how we to reflect on. Or your crown Spice as dancehall queen. So if dancehall have rules and guidelines and you know want certain things are dancehall, why rapist and pedophile get a pass? Why you in a dancehall? Why man when you have feces in a dancehall? If dancehall have rules and guidelines. So no man will dress in a afro can't do in a dancehall. So why when your friend them dress up in a the wig them can't stay in a dancehall? Why when your friend them dress up in a the rampers them can't stay in a dancehall? Why when your friend them turn up beside you in a them tight clothes, why them can't stay in a dancehall? You know, see, I want to look at dirty dog shit come from blood clot where you come from, come fuck up with dancehall. And then you go up and interview and talk about dancehall and because we not unite and because we know this and because we know that when you there well blood clot gate. But you know want certain things are dancehall. Who the fuck you think you are? Who gave you this power? The people them. Make you feel like you had that power. Yeah? Because we never have so much outlet them time you have to burn out your nastiness. But now the power is with us. And you're nothing but a piece of shit. Out of here.
A soca artist can't do that. A gospel artist can't do that. No reggae or dancehall artist can't do that. Man to man is so unjust. Bob did tell with that. So that's the guideline of reggae and dancehall. We go balance, but don't come and balance up dancehall.
Rape is not unjust. We never campaign for blackout rapists out of dancehall. Rape is not unjust. Rape is not an unjust act. Violating a woman is not an unjust act. So you never yet campaign for burn out rapists out of dancehall. Because you know, say that burn out yourself out of dancehall. This is what your minions them eat, you know. Them eat receipt, them eat facts. This is how them can't deal with. So all the damage control that them a try to do, the writing is on the blood clot wall.
And that little drag queen, boy, I know, him not have no manners. Me never say nothing about him. All I do, buy a paper. I saw a pic in the Star, which is my Star, a public paper that I bought. I own everything in it. I take my phone, take a pic, repost it on my Twitter page, my everything, my pic, no matter who.
And this is the picture, people. And this is the picture. And this is the picture, you know. No, but I'm me obsessed. No, groupies. The obsession started with no daddy. Just deal with it. I teach me how to be obsessed. Just deal with it. It's just a thing you can't stop. It's a everyday thing. Groupies. A everyday man get beaten. Only when me feel like him not forget no beaten that day, me decides him not forget no beaten. Every day, he might get beaten. If he slip and slide, Rasta greens got chuck in your mama. At that you have to eat. Boy, you need Rasta, ya pasta. Chuck in your mama. Yeah. You see? I mean, when I say, listen. When you say no delusional, when I said Jamaicans hate me, when you say Jamaicans hate me, I compliment that, you know. Jamaicans hating me a compliment. When I go and come and bad something when if you say Jamaicans hate you, I compliment that. Because when they say Jamaicans love me, me don't worry. Say what me I do wrong. Because me check us if me do a survey right now, me can prove to you say Jamaican love criminals, wrongdoers, bad man, gangster, dance, politicians, pastors will rob them money on Sunday daytime, child molesters, miss a handsome them. You go like bumbleclad, we say Jamaican hate me like a something bad. The same Jamaican them love Mr. Handsome with molest boy pitney. And love Shibada them and love pretty than them. I work nothing bad for say Jamaican people don't like you. compliment. Fucking idiot.
Public paper that I bought, I own everything in it. I take my phone, take a pic, repost it on my Twitter page, my everything, my pic, no matter who in the pic, you know, and me buy the paper, I own everything with the paper, publish. Send out my pic. People, that look here, me no know. Me never know. To me last thing say me no know. Me know something wrong, but me no know.
Yeah.
It was an epic performance, especially the part here when the man touched.
No things are not our one. First the cocaine thing, never our one. Then the pop Mali thing, never our one. The flat bottoms up, never our one. The bleach out, never our one. The bag of plastic surgery, never our one. Picking up this camera them, never